Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achilia. Our today's topic is umbrella. Umbrella or parasol is folding can copy supported by wooden or metal ribs that is usually mounted on a wooden, the metal or plastic pole. It is designed to protect a person against rain or sunlight. The term umbrella is traditionally used when protecting oneself from rain, with parasol used when protecting oneself from sunlight, though the terms continue to be used interchangeable. The obtained difference is the material used for the coin copy. Some parasols are not waterproof and some umbrellas are transparent. Umbrella can copies may be made of fabric or flexible plastic. There are also combination of parasol and umbrella that are called in couch case. The French for encaisse. Umbrella and parasol are primary handheld protectable device size and personal use. The largest hand protectable umbrellas are golf umbrellas. The umbrellas can be divided into two categories: full collapsible umbrellas, in which the metal pole supporting the can copy retracts, making the umbrella small enough to fit in handbag, and non-collapsible umbrellas, in which the support pole cannot retract and only the can copy can be collapsed. Another distinctions can be made between manually operated umbrellas and spirally loaded automatically umbrellas, which springs open at the press of a button. Handheld umbrellas have a type of handle which can be made from wood, a plastic cylinder, or a bent crook handle like the handle of can. Umbrellas are available in a range of price and quality points, ranging for inexpensive, modest quality models sold at discount store to expensive, finely made designer labeled models. The larger parasol, capable for blocking the sun for several people, are often used of fixed or semi-fixed devices. The use with a patio tables or other outdoor furnitures, or a point of a shade on a sunny beach. The parasol are occasionally called sunshades, and umbrella may also be called as Brownlee UK slangs. Parapurely 19th century France origin Renishade games. The British informed detected or bumper shoot rare vaccinations American slacks when used for snow. The history of umbrella. The ancient India, the Sanskrit epic Mahabharata released the following legends. Jamandagini was a skilled bone shooter, and his devoted wife Renuka would always recover each of his arrows immediately. One time, however, it took her whole day to fetch the arrow, and she later blamed the heat of the sun for the day and delay. The angry Jamandagini shoots an arrow at the sun. The sun begins for mercy and offered Renuka an umbrella. The Jean Baptiste Tavernier, in his 17th century book Voyage to the East, said that on each side of the Mughals' throws were two umbrellas are also described. The hall of the king of the Awa was decorated with an umbrella. The chhata of the India is Burmese princess in large and heavy and requires in special attendance who has a regular position in the royal household. In Awa, it seems to have seen part the king's title, that he was king of the white elephant and lord of the 24 umbrellas. In Southeast Asia, Simons de la Leuba, who was envoy extraordinary from the French king to the king of the Sams in 1687 and 1688, write an account initiates a new historical relations of the kingdom of the Sams, which was translated in 1693 into English. According to account, the use of the umbrella was generated to only some of the subject by the kings. An umbrella with several circles, as if two or the three umbrellas were fastened on the same stick, was permitted to the kings alone. The nobles carried a single umbrella with painted clothes having the from it. The Telefonia, who seems to have been the sort of the Siemens monks, handle umbrella made of the palm leaves cut and folded so that the stem formed a handle. In 1855, the king of Burma directed a letter to the Marquis of the Delhi House, in which the style himself his great glossier and glorious and mostly excellent majesty, who regains over the kingdom of the Thunparanta, Tampadia, and the great umbrella reigning ships of the eastern countries. So all about the umbrella. So thank you.